Trader Cobb Crypto Podcast. This is the Trader Cobb Crypto Podcast.
G'day everybody, welcome to the Trader Cobb Crypto Show, and I hope you're having a great day. Guys, I wanted to just sort of do a little short one today about a little comical topic. You've probably heard me say, one of my sort of little catchphrases is even a turkey can fly in a hurricane. And I'm talking about that for people in crypto that have done very, very well, but they don't really know why. Luck is not a strategy, although I'm happy to have luck on my side as well. It's people that have done very, very well from being early into crypto or picking something that's gone very, very high and stayed high, because that's a difficult thing, right? Often become, some of them think that they know a lot, which is fine. Others sort of go, well, geez, I actually recognize that I have gotten lucky here and I don't know how to replicate this success. So the theme turkey in a hurricane is that once the market starts to stop going up, a lot of people get exposed because they don't know what to do. They don't have enough structure there. They can't make money in a down market, in other words, as well. Now, a lot of these people get exposed, and that's, when I say exposed, I mean the people that are out there that are, asking for money from people that clearly don't know how to trade. They've just done well from a few things moving very, very well, because when markets move, all you really have to do is buy in the past, and they've just gone extraordinarily well. The big acid test is, I think, a lot of the crypto trading community probably couldn't make a living in traditional markets, and that's because traditional markets don't have as big a moves, so therefore your reward multiple and your risk multiple are closer. What I mean by this is, if I was to risk 1% on a trade, let's say 1%, now that's between my entry and my stop loss. 1%. If the entry and stop loss is say 100 between the entry and the stop loss, in traditional markets, to get a 3 or 4 to 1, that's considered very, very good. Okay, so you might get 3 or 4 times your risk multiple, which would be a fantastic trade. In crypto, we know that these markets can move phenomenally fast. So the same risk, let's say 1% risk, can end up being 30, 40, 50 times the reward. Now that's why I'm here. That's why I'm in this market. My risk remains the same, but my reward increases significantly. But the thing is, a lot of people just don't know how to have the structure, that they don't understand what they're actually doing. And that's the bearing of the turkey can fly in a hurricane, because when everything goes flying up, everyone's doing well and everyone's an expert, and they're drawing their charts everywhere and everything's going well and yada yada yada. Don't be turkey in a hurricane, because just in this most recent push down, as we've seen over the beginning of 2018, a lot of people have been exposed, and it has seen their portfolios fall dramatically. You see, there's not a great deal of people talking about short trades and what there is talking about long trades. Now, I understand that when markets move up, there are more opportunities, there is more potential to trade. We tend to have good trending conditions, and crypto at the moment is much more, it's a bit easier to trade long, because with or without leverage, you've got more opportunity to just buy, don't you, than you can sell. I mean, if I'm going to trade NEO against Bitcoin, it's easier to buy than it is to sell NEO against Bitcoin. So I can understand that there are more opportunities. I do understand that. It's more about it's more about understanding what you're doing within those moves. Why did you get into this? Well, I read something on Twitter. That's not a strategy. Why did you enter this? Because I have 15 checklists that were ticked off. I did X, Y, Z, blah, 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 and you've got yourself away from being a turkey. You've got reasons. If you don't know why you're having success, you can't replicate that. You can't have a career, and you can't grow it. Now, with anything, if you find that you're doing well with something, you'd like to continue to do well. So it's pretty darn important to understand what's going on around you, so that you're not left a turkey in a hurricane. Guys, don't forget to jump across my socials, get the video content, jump on tradercobb.com. You've got a whole bunch of stuff there, and have a great day. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Podcast. Check out tradercobb.com, because experience matters.